For those who know audio quite well, you might understand electrostatic panels to be large structures, 6 foot tall, 3 foot wide. They've always been a purist item where you have to set them up in a particular position within the room. You need a monstrously powerful amplifier to drive them. The problem was to shrink them down, miniaturise it, to get the price down, make it more reliable, improve the bass, improve the treble. And we believe we have done that in our new panels that we've created. They're very small, they're very thin, and very, very loud.
So, because of the way Total Perspective works, we had to have this central baffle through the speaker. And that was initially a real challenge. But eventually we saw that we could really turn it into a feature, which you can see in the speaker now. It really makes it stand out, gets it away from that boxy design. Turns it into this nice flowing sort of Scandinavian, Japanese design that it is. The material that we're using now is an aluminium composite. It has 2 layers of aluminium with a filler material in between. It's 100% recyclable, and the great thing about it is it can be bent into these great shapes, and it's never been used in speakers before to our knowledge.
You have something sweeping across the screen and the sound goes across and then ducks under the screen and then comes up to the other side, so you end up with this collapsed sound field, or over the top or under the screen, and it doesn't match up with what you're seeing. It becomes incongruous and your brain has to work harder to try and put it all together as a result. The real problem was that you would have one seat. If you didn't want a centre speaker, you would have one seat where everything was working perfectly. With Total Perspective, you don't need it, and eventually you see why you wouldn't have wanted it in the first place.